Manila Bay, a shimmering jewel in the Philippine archipelago, or so it once was. Decades of neglect and abuse have taken their toll. The bay, once teeming with life, is now choked with pollution. The source of the problem is clear human activity. Untreated sewage, industrial waste, and plastic debris flow into the bay unchecked. The once pristine waters are now a murky soup of contaminants. Marine life struggles to survive. The air carries a foul stench. The situation is dire, a stark reminder of the impact of human actions on the environment. But amidst the grim reality, a glimmer of hope emerges. The people of Manila, once resigned to the bay's fate, are now rising to the challenge. A movement is building, a collective desire to reclaim their beloved bay. The call to action echoed through the streets of Manila. A sense of urgency filled the air. The message was clear. Manila Bay needs our help. The response was overwhelming. Thousands of volunteers heeded the call, ready to dedicate their time and effort to the daunting task of cleaning the bay. Students, office workers, families, and even tourists came together, united by a shared purpose. This was not just another cleanup drive. This was a massive mobilization of people power, a testament to the collective spirit of the Filipino people. The message was clear. We will not stand idly by and watch our bay die. The energy was palpable, a mix of determination and hope. Armed with gloves, trash bags, and a shared sense of purpose, the volunteers descended upon the bay, ready to make a difference. The scene at Manila Bay that day was nothing short of inspiring. A sea of humanity stretched as far as the eye could see. Thousands upon thousands of volunteers, all united in their mission to heal the bay. The atmosphere was electric, a blend of determination and camaraderie. Volunteers worked tirelessly, their spirits undeterred by the scale of the task before them. They formed human chains, passing bags of trash from one person to the next. The sheer volume of garbage collected was staggering. Plastic bottles, food wrappers, discarded appliances, and all manner of debris were extracted from the water and the shoreline. The air, thick with the stench of pollution just days before, now carried a faint scent of hope. The event transcended a mere cleanup drive. It was a powerful display of unity and collective action. It was a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Filipino people, their resilience in the face of adversity, and their unwavering commitment to reclaiming their environment. Among the thousands who answered the call to action was Maria, a young student who had never seen Manila Bay in its former glory. "I grew up seeing the bay polluted," she shared, her voice filled with a mix of sadness and determination. "But today, I feel like we're finally doing something about it." Another volunteer, a seasoned fisherman named Carlos, spoke of his hopes for the future. "I've been fishing in this bay my whole life," he said, his weathered face etched with worry. "I've seen firsthand how pollution has destroyed the marine life. But today I feel a glimmer of hope that we can bring our bay back to life." These personal stories, echoed by countless others, painted a vivid picture of the collective will to heal Manila Bay. They spoke of a deep connection to the bay, a shared history, and a fervent hope for a cleaner, healthier future. The stories of these volunteers, their tireless efforts, and their unwavering dedication served as a powerful reminder that change is possible when people come together for a common cause. Section 5. Beyond the trash bags, the impact of collective action. The impact of the Manila Bay cleanup extended far beyond the countless bags of trash collected. It was a powerful demonstration of the impact of collective action, a testament to the power of people coming together to effect change. The event captured the attention of the nation, sparking a nationwide conversation about environmental responsibility. It served as a wake-up call, a stark reminder of the consequences of neglect and the potential for positive change through collective effort. The sheer scale of the cleanup, the sheer number of people who dedicated their time and energy, sent a powerful message to the government and industries. The people of Manila demand a cleaner, healthier bay. The Manila Bay cleanup was not just about cleaning up a polluted body of water. It was about reclaiming a city's heritage, restoring a sense of pride, and igniting a movement for a more sustainable future. Section 6. A respite for nature. The bay begins to breathe again. In the aftermath of the massive cleanup, a sense of cautious optimism settled over Manila Bay. The air seemed cleaner, the water less murky, The stench that had permeated the area for years had dissipated, replaced by the salty tang of the sea. Small fish, once scarce, were spotted darting through the shallows. Birds returned, their calls echoing across the water. The bay, long choked by pollution, was showing tentative signs of recovery. While the road to full restoration was long and arduous, these initial signs of improvement provided a much-needed boost of hope. They served as a tangible reminder that even the most polluted environments could heal, given the chance. The bay's nascent recovery was a testament to the power of collective action, a beacon of hope illuminating the path towards a brighter, more sustainable future. Section 7, the long road ahead, sustaining the momentum. The Manila Bay cleanup, while a resounding success, was just the first step in a long and challenging journey. The true test lay in sustaining the momentum, in transforming a single event into a sustained movement for change. The challenge was twofold: addressing the root causes of pollution and ensuring the long-term health of the bay. This required a multi-pronged approach involving government agencies, industries, communities, and individuals. The government needed to implement stricter regulations on industrial waste discharge and invest in wastewater treatment facilities. Industries had to adopt more sustainable practices, minimizing their environmental footprint. The momentum generated by the cleanup needed to translate into sustained action, a collective commitment to safeguarding the bay for generations to come. Section 8, Government Action Policies for a Cleaner Bay. In response to the public outcry and the undeniable success of the citizen-led cleanup, the Philippine government stepped up its efforts to address the pollution plaguing Manila Bay. New policies were enacted, aimed at curbing industrial discharge and improving waste management. Regulations on wastewater treatment were tightened, holding industries accountable for their environmental impact. Investments were made in sewage treatment plants, aiming to reduce the flow of untreated wastewater into the bay. The government also launched information campaigns, educating the public about the importance of proper waste disposal and responsible environmental practices. These initiatives, while slow to yield results, represented a crucial shift towards a more proactive approach to environmental protection. The government's commitment to addressing the root causes of pollution, while long overdue, signaled a positive step towards a cleaner, healthier Manila Bay. Section 9, Community Engagement, Empowering the Stewards of the Bay. The success of the Manila Bay cleanup highlighted the critical role of community engagement in environmental protection. Empowering communities to become stewards of their local environment was crucial for long-term success. Local organizations sprang up, organizing regular cleanup drives and educational workshops. They educated residents about proper waste disposal, the importance of recycling, and the impact of their actions on the bay's health. Schools incorporated environmental awareness into their curriculum, teaching the next generation the importance of protecting their natural heritage. These community-led initiatives fostered a sense of ownership and responsibility, transforming passive residents into active guardians of their environment. The spirit of collective action, ignited by the massive cleanup, continued to burn brightly in the hearts of the communities surrounding Manila Bay, fueling a movement for lasting change. Section 10, A Brighter Future, Envisioning a Revitalized Manila Bay. As the sun sets over Manila Bay, casting a golden glow on the water, it's impossible not to feel a sense of hope. The journey ahead is long, the challenge is significant. Yet the spirit of the Manila Bay cleanup, the collective will of thousands to reclaim their bay, offers a powerful vision for the future. Imagine a revitalized Manila Bay, its waters once again teeming with marine life. The air is clean, the beach is pristine, drawing locals and tourists alike. Children play on the shore, their laughter carried by the gentle sea breeze. This vision, once a distant dream, now feels within reach. The collective effort, the commitment to change, has shifted the trajectory, offering a glimmer of hope for a healthier, more sustainable future. The fight for Manila Bay is far from over, but the spirit of the cleanup, the unwavering dedication of the Filipino people, serves as a beacon of hope, illuminating the path towards a brighter future. Section 11, Conclusion, A Testament to Collective Will. The Manila Bay cleanup is a powerful testament to the collective will of the human spirit, Even in the face of challenges, hope can emerge from despair. Action can triumph over apathy, ordinary people united by a common purpose. They showed the world that change is possible. The journey to restore Manila Bay is far from over. The spirit of By Any Hand will inspire generations to come, a fight for a world where humanity and nature coexist in harmony.